Tell us what these employees are saying.
Well, they were really blindsided, and I think that was made clear by the fact that the news was posted, publicly on a blog post, and they found out about it. And apparently, they found out when the media found out. Today, I'm getting a lot of emails from people saying, "Thank you so much for writing this, capturing how we felt." It just was really stunning for the staff.
So the stores are already closing. You reported that there's a store in Honolulu that's closed, there's a store in Palm Springs that's closed, and if you call those stores, it's rerouted to another location.
Exactly. Yeah, our understanding was that Musk was going to be evaluating the stores, but it's very clear that the low-performing stores or the stores that did not get a lot of traffic are already closed.
Now, let's talk about the reaction from investors. Shares have recovered a little bit from their lows today, but we spoke to one investor who sold all of his Tesla shares, an asset manager. This investor also tweeted, his name is Alex Chalakian. "It pains me to say this, since I really love the company, but we have sold our position in Tesla for our advisory clients. I believe that the decision to close retail stores is a bad one and points to the weakness in sales and financial strength of the company." Is that what most of the negative or pessimistic investors here are telling you?
Yeah, and I think it's important to notice that Alex lives in Pasadena. He owns a Tesla. He owns a Model S. He's been very pro-Tesla for a while, but I think he as a manager, he has a fiduciary responsibility to his clients. And this decision to close the stores was a complete 180 from what Tesla had been saying they were planning to do if you look at all of their regulatory filings.
Exactly. Last quarter, they opened multiple stores, including more stores than they had in any quarter in a year and a half. And in their 10K, they also touted their retail strategy. So it doesn't seem like something that Tesla was considering for a while. It certainly does seem like it was an abrupt decision.
Exactly. And I think that's what caught investors off guard. To be clear, there is an argument to be made that Americans and people around the world are shifting most of their purchases to online. There are a lot of dealerships and startups kind of trying to help dealers with the online sales process. So it's not unreasonable that Tesla would want to experiment with online sales, but to sort of announce that they're completely shuttering most of their stores and switching to online only, that really caught people by surprise.
Now,
including the staff.
I do want to talk about Tesla's employment worldwide. They employ almost 50,000 people, and looking at this chart in my Bloomberg, headcount has been increasing significantly year on year. But you're reporting, new information that there are now dozens of jobs that are going to go away at the Fremont factory. Tell us the very latest in terms of just how many jobs are actually going away.
Sure. So in January, Tesla did a 7% reduction in force worldwide. And then on the call last Thursday, when they announced this pivot to online sales, Musk acknowledged that they would be laying off a lot of the sales and marketing people, but hopefully shifting some of those positions to either the stores that are remaining open or to service jobs.